Hello guys, welcome to another episode. And one topic we'll be considering today is we're considering the if-else statements. So what is an if-else statement? An if-else statement is a conditional statement that helps us to actually achieve or get in contact with a particular condition, or achieve a particular action, or execute a particular action when a particular condition is met. So basically, an example in a real world will be if I get a spoon, a condition, then I can eat. So the then I can eat there will be an action, and if I can get a spoon will be a condition. So let's see that in action here. So I'm going to make an if-else statement here. So I'm going to say if list that contains, I'm going to check if this list actually contains a particular number I'm looking for. So I'm going to check and see if this contains 4. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm prompt console the right line, and then I'm going to say yes, list contains 4. So let me do yes, yes, let's display it beautifully. List contains, I'm going to pass this as an argument and pass it later as a parameter. Yeah, this time around we're going to say 4. Okay, terminate our statement. And if list does not contain 4, I'll just go ahead and say list does not contain 4. I'm going to say automatically else, open my braces and say list does not contain 4. So consider red line. I'm going to say no. Print this beautifully. I'm going to say list does not contain, just pass it as an argument and say does not contain what's 4 and terminate my statement. So basically this is it. So let's go ahead and run our code. Run. Can you see the output is here? Say yes, list contains 4, and that's how we write a conditional statement in C#. So this will be our final episode, but stick out for more. I'm going to release a full ASP.NET Core tutorial to get us up and running with C# as a beginner. Thank you.